Welcome to T1 Academy. In our reasoning series, we have already discussed the logical Venn diagrams concept, students. There we have seen how to eliminate the options based on the given question, and we have seen how to choose the best option from the given 4 options. Now in this video we are going to see the next model of question from this logical Venn diagrams, where we will have different types of shape, and based on the portion and area where we are seeing, we will write our answer. So the second model of Venn diagrams we are going to see in this video, the second model of Venn diagrams. So directly we will move to the question, students, so that you will have an idea. So this is a question for us. Now what they are doing in this given Venn diagram, given below, how many singers are actors? So now please see here, students, first we should know this circle belongs to what? Singers. This circle belongs to actors and this circle belongs to dancers. Now what does this portion tells us, students? What does this portion tells us? We should know that one. So this portion is only singers. This portion is only singers. Please observe carefully. This portion is only singers for me. Now similarly when it comes to this portion will be only actors. Only actors. And what will be this portion here, students? This portion will be only dancers, right? That is the meaning. And now what is this portion? I will change the color. What is this portion here tells us, students? What is this portion? This portion tells me what it is: actors and dancers. Actors and dancers. Dancers. What does this portion tells me here? What is this portion tells me here? This portion tells me singers and dancers. Singers and dancers. What this portion tells me? This portion will be only singers and actors. Singers and actors. This portion tells me that. Now what happens to the middle portion? Now the middle portion, what does it indicates us? What is that middle portion? This middle portion. What is this middle portion indicates? All the three: dancers, singers and actors. It indicates all the 3 persons for us here. So like this we will have 3 different, overall 1, 2, this type of segregation we will do with the given question. Now there are how many singers are actors? How many singers are actors? Now please see here, students. Here I should have singers and actors together. I should have singers and actors together. So who are called singers and actors together? If you observe carefully, this is singers and actors. This is singers and actors, and this one is also singer and actor. So overall these 2 regions together will become what? Singers and actors. We will think, okay sir, singers and actors. Now they are asking only about the actors, students, so we will not bother about the dancers. We will not bother about the dancers. You will have one doubt, sir, singers and actors. So this complete portion 34 plus 3, 37. Or should I take only 34? Singers and actors only 34. Which one I should take? Which one I should take? Must see here, if the question is only singers and actors, only singers or actors means you will take your answer as 34. But here that is not mentioned specially, right? We want singers who are actors. So these 34 singers are singers who are actors, and these 3 singers are also actors. So overall our answer here becomes 37. If they have mentioned only singer and actor, I would have marked my answer as 34 here. But there is no, the word only was not mentioned here. So I will go with 34 plus 3. Our answer will become what? 37 here. Okay. We will see the next one. Now see here. In the Venn diagram, how many dancers are not singers? How many dancers are not singers? So dancers group is where do we have dancers group, and I should eliminate singers. So singers is this group, right? So I should not consider this group at all. So eliminating that, dancers are how many in number overall? This group will become the remaining dancers group. Eliminating the singers. So that means what will be my answer? 100 plus 12, what it becomes? 112. 112 will be our answers. They are selling not singers but not actors, right? So we can include actors. So my answer here becomes 112. Please be careful, students. Only dancers means you should take 100. Dancers and not singers means you should include 100 plus 12. It will become what? 112 for us. So our answer here becomes 112. 112 will be our answer here. Okay, we will see the next one. Next is study the following figure and answer the questions given below. The number 11 represents here reverse. See, first and foremost thing, honest labor workers. So see here first, circle indicates what for me here? Workers. Circle indicates what for me here? Workers. And next, triangle indicates for me laborers. And square indicates me honest. Honest. Right? So 11 is the area. What is this 11 area, students? It was there in circle, it was there in triangle, it was there in square as well as. So all the three qualities are there in this 11. All the three qualities are there in this 11%. So what I can take? Honest workers and laborers. Honest labor workers, yes, that is our answer. Laborers who are not honest, workers who are not, no, only honest workers, no. So our answer here becomes, what will be our answer? Honest labor and workers. All the three qualities are there for the 11 category. So our answer here becomes that one. Okay, just to see the intersection portion and then decide what is your answer here. You should see the intersection portion and then decide what is your answer. Next one. Study the following figure and answer the questions given below. So workers, circle belongs to workers. Triangle are laborers, and square is honest. And square is honest. How many workers are laborers? Now I should have the intersection of workers and laborers. I should have the intersection of workers and laborers. Workers are what? Circle. Laborers are triangle. So definitely I should have intersection of these two. So what is the intersection portion of these two? This is the intersection portion. Okay. Workers are laborers, but not honest. They didn't mention, right? If they have mentioned but not honest, then my answer might be 34. But here they didn't mention any such type of condition, right? Any such type of condition. So workers and laborers, what is the complete intersection portion for me here? 34 plus 11. My answer here becomes 45. My answer here becomes 45. Please be careful, students. Based on the question or the words what they have used in the question, we need to change our answer. If the question is how many workers are laborers but not honest, means my answer would have become 34. But here simply they told that how many workers are laborers means I should consider both workers and laborers together where it is intersected 34 and 11. So the sum will become what for me here? 45. Right? Next one. See the next one. Now study the following and answer. How many tennis players are not hockey players? Are not hockey. So that means hockey is what, students, here for me? A rectangle, right? So that means I should completely eliminate this rectangle portion. Why? Because not hockey. I should not have this rectangle numbers. Next, how many tennis players? Tennis players means what? Triangle, right? So where do I have triangle for me here? Here I have triangle. Here I have triangle for me. So I should tell how many tennis players are not hockey players. So that means hockey should be eliminated, and after deleting hockey, how many are there outside this rectangle inside the triangle? So what it is? 5 plus 11 here I have, that is 16, and 14 plus 5 I have here, 16 plus 19, it will become what? 35. So my answer here becomes 35. Please see here, students, I should eliminate this one and I should consider only the things which are present inside the triangle. So triangle 5 and 11 here. So overall 5 plus 11 here, that is 16. And inside the triangle here for me I have 14 plus 5. So this will become 19. So 19 plus 16, my answer here becomes 35. Choose the area which is necessary for us. Okay. Next one. See the next one. How many players play both chess and tennis? They are not mentioning about not anything other else. So just chess, and chess players are what? This circle. Chess players are inside the circle. Okay. Next, tennis. Tennis are inside the triangle, right? So there is no negation condition. So just see where I have this circle and this triangle intersection. This is that portion, right? Circle and triangle intersection portion. So what is the common things I have? 10, 11 and 14. 10, 11 and 14. So what will be my answer? 11 plus 10 plus 14. This will give me 35. So my answer for this question also is 35. My answer for this question is also 35. I should have intersection of both circle as well as triangle. And they didn't mention any not hockey like that, right? So just simply add these values. Okay, next one. How many people visited only Kedarnath? Okay, now the first we need to read the question carefully here. What they are telling? In the given, the circle represents the people who visited Badrinath. Okay, circle is Badrinath. Okay, triangle represents Kedarnath. And square represent who visited the Pulwama. And square represent the people who visited the Pulwama. How many people visited only Kedarnath? Only Kedarnath means, what is the region of only Kedarnath here, students? This is the region. Only Kedarnath. Very clearly they mentioned, only Kedarnath. How many are visiting? Only one person is visiting. So our answer here becomes option D. Option D will be our answer here. Option D will be our answer here. Next one. Similarly, same more or less the same question. Triangle, circle represents what for me here? Badrinath. Triangle represents Kedarnath. And square represents Pulwama. Right? What they are asking us, the number 87 represents. Please see here 87, students. This is the intersection portion of all the three, right? All the three. This 87 is the intersection portion of all the three. The people who visited Badrinath, Kedarnath and Pulwama. So our answer is the visited both Pulwama and Kedarnath, no. People who visited only Badrinath, no. People who visited all the three places, yes. So our answer here becomes option C. Why? Because that is the intersection portion of all the three categories: circle, square and triangle for me here. Circle, square and triangle. Next one. Now same. This is what for us Kedarnath, Badrinath and Pulwama. Okay, next. How many people visited both Badrinath and Kedarnath but not Pulwama? Now see here, both Badrinath and Kedarnath. First, Badrinath and Kedarnath, what is the combination between Badrinath and Kedarnath? Please observe this one. This is the combination of Badrinath and Kedarnath, right? Badrinath and Kedarnath. This is the combination of both Badrinath and Kedarnath. Circle and a triangle combination. Yes, sir. And very clearly they are telling not Pulwama. So this also have Pulwama, right? This portion also have Pulwama. So it should not be considered. Not Pulwama. Pulwama should be completely deleted. So this portion should be deleted completely. So what is the answer for me here? 32. 32 will be our answer for us here. 32 will be our answer here. So if this mentions especially not, then we should eliminate it. Else, if for example, if not, how many people have visited both Badrinath and Kedarnath means my answer would be 32 plus 87. 32 plus 87. But here they clearly mentioned but not Pulwama. That is the reason this 87 is deleted. Our answer here becomes 32. Our answer here becomes 32. Right? Next one. Right? Here the circle represents the lions. Here circle is representing the lions. Okay. Next, the triangle represents tigers. Okay. Triangle represents tigers. And rectangle represents cats. Rectangle represents cats. The number given in the diagram represents the number of animals in the particular category. Okay, fine. How many lions are cats? How many lions are cats? Lions and cats, what it is? Circle and square, rectangle intersection, right? So circle and rectangle intersection is this one. Circle and rectangle intersection is, this is the portion. Yes, this is the portion. They simply said that lions are cats. So 7 plus 3, what it becomes? 10. So our answer here becomes 10. If they say that how many lions are cats but not tigers means my answer might be 7. Okay, if they mention clearly but not tigers means then my answer will be 7. But here they didn't mention this type of condition. So I should add both of these. 7 plus 3, what it becomes? 10. So we will write our answer as 10. So we will write our answer as 10. Next, see the next one. Now same question, similar one. Circle represents lions. Triangle represents tigers. Rectangle represents cats. Okay. Now, which number represents only tiger? Only tiger. So already we know tiger without intersection with any other thing. What it is? Only tiger is what? 2 for me here. So here 2 represents only tiger. 2 represents only tiger for us here. Next, see the next one. Now see this one. In the Venn diagram, group A represents who can speak English. So this A means what? English here. Group B represents who can speak Hindi. Okay, fine. Group C represents who can speak Marathi. Number given in the diagram represents how many persons can speak exactly 2 languages. Exactly, students. Please observe here. Exactly. Not minimum 2 languages, exactly 2 languages. So which area is common between two things? This is common between 2 things. This is common between 2 things. And this is common between 2 things. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 11, 18. So our answer here becomes 18. But here the question is exactly 2 languages, that is the reason I multiplied this. If it is minimum 2, if the question is minimum 2 languages, then my answer will be minimum 2 means 2 plus 5 plus 11, fine, 18, and along with that I would have added this 3 also. This 3 also, but here it is not necessary to add this 3. Why? Because they clearly mentioned exactly 2. Exactly 2 means exactly 2 only. Okay, so here our answer becomes 18. Our answer here becomes 18. Next, see the next one. Here also the same thing. English, Hindi, Marathi. Okay. How many people can speak at least 2 languages? Now see here, at least 2 languages means all this area comes under at least 2, right? All this area comes under at least 2. So 2 plus 3 will become 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 11, 21. So our answer will become what? 21. At least 2 or minimum 2, both are same. So our answer here becomes 21. 21. Read the question carefully, try to understand it and then write the answer. Okay, next see the next one. Now, who are educated males but do not live in urban areas? Okay, first we will see circle indicates what for me here? Urban area. Circle indicates urban areas. Next square or rectangle, whatever it is, it indicates what? Civil staff. Next, sorry, here I have square and circle separately. This is civil staff. And rectangle indicates male. And triangle indicates educated. And triangle indicates educated. Now see here, educated males but not live in urban area. Educated males. Educated male means I should have intersection between rectangle and triangle. Rectangle and triangle, where is the intersection portion here, students? This is the intersection portion between rectangle and triangle. This is the intersection portion between rectangle and triangle. But what they are telling at the same time, who do not live in urban areas. That means I should not consider this circle portion. I should not consider this circle portion. That means 4 gets deleted. So only this is the portion, right, which I need to consider here. So what will be my answer here? 11. 11 will be my answer here. There are 11 people, male people who are educated but they doesn't live in urban areas. So our answer here becomes 11. 11. So read the question carefully, identify the place and then write the final answer. Now see here, big triangle represents authors. Okay. Big triangle represents authors. Rectangle represents poets. Fine. Small triangle represents dramatists. Okay, this small triangle is a drama artists. Next, circle represents essayists. Okay. Essayists. Okay. These are the things for 4 categories we have. Now, which number represents poets? Poets means who? Who are poets, students? Rectangle. Okay. They should be poets. Okay. So this rectangle should be there. Next, who are also essayists, dramatists and authors. All the 4 circles should be intersected. Now that means this is small circle triangle area. This is the circle area. And this is the big. So what is the common area between all the 4? This 6 is the common area between all the 4, right? 6 is the common area. So our answer here becomes option, okay, just it is reversed. Option 6 will be, sorry, option 3 will be our answer here. Number 6 will be our answer here. Number 6 will be our answer here. Number 6. Why? Because this is the intersection of all the 4. Intersection of all the 4 categories. Intersection of all the 4 categories. So 6th portion will be our answer. Next one. See here, employee, women, employee and doctors. Circle is doctors, rectangle is employee, triangle is women. Now, which number represent the women doctors who are not employed? Women and doctor, intersection I should have. Where is circle and triangle intersection? Circle and triangle intersection for me here. This is the portion, right? Circle and triangle intersection. Circle and triangle intersection portion is, this is the circle and triangle intersection portion. Who are not employed? Employed means what? I should not consider this rectangle, right? Not employed. So if I doesn't consider this rectangle, so my required area becomes this one, right? So what will be my answer here? Area 7. 7 will be my answer here. Which portion, which number represents means number 7 represents me the women doctors who are not employed, who are not employed. This 7 region will represent my answer. Next one. Now please see this one, students. Here the circle represent the villagers. Circle is representing the villagers for us. Circle is representing the villagers. Next, triangle stands for what? Educated. Okay, triangle stands for educated. Triangle stands for educated. Next, rectangle for employed. Fine. Employed. Employed. Triangle and the rectangle stands for employed. Circle villagers, triangle educated and rectangle employed. Okay, all the 3 are done. Now, represents the statement, some educated villagers are employed. Some educated villagers employed. All the 3 categories are intersecting, right? Which area we have all the 3 are intersecting? Please see this area, students. This is the area where all the 3 are there. Here circle was passing, triangle was there, as well as rectangle is also there. So which area represents that one? Area 4. Area 4 represents as the required one. 4 represents as the required things. Okay, next we will see the next one. Now please see here, this is English. See students, these are images actually. This is the reason you might not see this one clearly, little bit blurred. Okay, these are images. This is Tamil. Okay, so now study the diagram and identify the people who speak only one language. Only one language. Only one language means this is the area where only English speaking people are there. So this is I for us here. So okay, I. Only English are I. Only Tamil are how many? K. This area indicates that one. Only Hindi is what, students? It is J. It is J. So only one language means only English, only Tamil, only Hindi. So my answer will become I plus J plus K. I plus J plus K. So what will be our answer here? Option 2. Option 2 will be our answer here. Why? Because only one language. It can be Tamil, English or Hindi. Tamil, Hindi or English. Whatever it is, our answer here becomes IJK. IJK will be our answer. Right? So like this we are going to solve this logical Venn diagram, students. 2 types of questions we have seen. First one is they will give us 3 different elements. We need to choose the best one out of that. And the second one is the questions which we have seen till now. They will give a Venn diagram and we need to identify the portions. Which portion belongs to the which person or which things. So read the question carefully and accordingly try to write the answers. Thank you. Thank you very much.